Other news now, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs was in Lincoln today, meeting with student veterans at UNL.
He talked about what is called the PACT Act, which extends and expands VA health care and benefits. Channel 8's Philip Katafamo was at that event earlier today.
These men and women have the warrior ethos, and they're constantly looking out for one another. That's a really important message for us as Americans to hear.
Thursday, UNL hosted U.S. Secretary of Veteran Affairs Dennis McDonough to speak with student veterans about the PACT Act and concerns surrounding VA health care. The act was signed last August by President Joe Biden and expands VA health care and benefits for vets exposed to burn pits, Agent Orange, and other toxic substances they may have been exposed to while serving. In the Act's first year, the VA regional office in Lincoln received a large increase in claims compared to the previous year.
This is a high-performing part of the VA system. I'm really proud of it. I'll be talking more about healthcare tomorrow in Omaha. But here in Lincoln today, I wanted to come see this really high-performing regional office where, as I said, we completed 50% more claims this year than last year, and last year was a record. So I'm really proud of those guys.
The secretary says his team expressed their frustration about the slowness in hiring workers to handle the claims as they increased. There were concerns that veterans who needed access to health care weren't getting them in a timely manner.
Why it's so important to us to keep hiring. Also heard concern about access, in particular to mental health care. I want to make sure that that access is timely. So those are some of the things that we heard, and those are some of the messages we wanted to communicate to veterans.
Reporting in Lincoln, Philip Katafamo, Channel 8 News.
Also, any veteran who's experiencing a crisis is encouraged to dial 988 and press 1 to get connected to the Veterans Crisis Line.
More information about the PACT Act can be found on our website, klkntv.com.